Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. This is going to be a short video of what we've been eating during this time of tons of snow and ice in this area where we live. We're starting off with a meatloaf, and the sides are going to be steamed potatoes and some broccoli. Here it is on the plate. It was so delicious. We had a secondary meal with the meatloaf, and because we love meatloaf sandwiches. We also did a big pot of soup beans with a ham bone. This hit the spot because we have had the coldest weather in the world. It is so cold. I made a couple loaves of fresh bread, which came out delicious. And I'm showing you my beans when they are completely done. I like my beans to be just al dente. I don't like mushy beans, so I like mine just done. I'm having my bread with my mother's strawberry freezer jam. Delicious. Another morning, I made some Rhodes cinnamon rolls for breakfast. We let them rise overnight, and then I baked them up, and I had that with my coffee, with my peppermint coffee creamer. It was so heavenly that morning. I don't know what it is about cinnamon rolls, but they make my morning so much better. Then I made a giant pot of vegetable soup. In fact, I still have an extra, like a cottage cheese container left of the soup. I froze it, but I made this with venison, and it just hit the spot. These soups are so easy and so delicious whenever it is really cold outside. Another morning of breakfast, some hot sausage patties, some eggs, and I kind of do it like a giant omelet, and then I cut it up and I make sandwiches with cheese for my husband, and I just have my biscuits and my eggs all separated. My husband has them like sandwiches, and I have them separated. In the oven there was some of those hash brown patties, delicious. It's like McDonald's at home. Here I am again, dipping into my mom's freezer jam. I can't stay out of this stuff. It is so good. Mom, if you're watching, I need more. We need to get some more in here. This is not going to last through these snow days with me. I keep dipping into it. In fact, I was thinking today, a peanut butter and jelly sounded really good today. Sounded really good because I can't stay out of the jam. But yes, this is strawberry freezer jam that my mother made. Another morning, I got up and made a banana bread with walnuts. I did substitute the butter with vegetable oil because I was completely out of butter at this point, but it came out perfect. You'll see that in the video. I'm walking through here, my kitchen. I am cooking up something in that pot, but here is my banana bread. It smelled the house up phenomenally. I don't know what it is about baked goods and snow days. They just go hand in hand. But this recipe I will link down below for you all in the description box. This is a very old video, but the recipe is tried and true. And you can make 2 small loaves or 1 large. I just made 1 large. I used frozen bananas that I thawed in the microwave. And like I said before, I substituted the butter with vegetable oil. Still came out really delicious, and I loved it. Another meal, some mac and cheese, some shake and bake chicken legs, the asparagus. This is my plate. This is the last of it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have a fabulous day. Stay safe, stay warm, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks so much. Bye.